Here's problem 4 from the 2005 AMC 8. A square and a triangle have equal perimeters. The lengths of the three sides of the triangle are 6.1 centimeters, 8.2 centimeters, and 9.7 centimeters. What is the area of the square in square centimeters? The choices are 24, 25, 36, 48, and 64. You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. First, find the perimeter of the triangle. Add up the three side lengths. 6.1 plus 8.2 plus 9.7 equals 24 centimeters. The square has the same perimeter, 24 centimeters. A square has 4 equal sides, so each side is 24 divided by 4, which is 6 centimeters. Finally, the area of the square is side times side. That's 6 times 6, which equals 36 square centimeters. So the answer is 36, which is choice C.